In this video, we are going to find out how to go to the 3D warehouse to download the door components we need for our north wall. While we're there, we're also going to grab the window that we're going to use for the south-facing wall, even though we don't have that laid out yet. So, how we do this and how we find the 3D warehouse is we're going to start by going to a new tab. In a new tab, the thing that I want to type in my search is my last search, and that is a 3D warehouse. Once we type in 3D warehouse in SketchUp, we should be able to hit enter, and you should be able to see our first search, and that should be called 3D warehouse in SketchUp. Select that. Now, the one thing that we're going to have to do right away here is we're just going to have to make sure we log in. If you don't log in right now, when you try to download, it will say, hey, log in now so you can download. So remember to log in with your school Google account. Now, from there, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the all categories, and we're just going to search. And what we're going to search is H-A-H-N, Han. Enter. When we get that little pop-up, we don't want products. We want to go to where it says models. Where it says models, we want to go, and now we're not actually clicking to download any of these things. What we're going to do is we're going to go to a certain user. That user is the third one over here where it says Tim H. Select Tim H. Now, Tim Hahn is my former employee, and he has some things that he has made in SketchUp, and he's uploaded to the 3D warehouse that we're going to use for this assignment. And that is, first of all, sliding down. We're going to go past this thing called curtain wall single block. If you want to download it, select the download button. 2022 model. It should download it and put it on your computer in the downloads folder. And then we want to slide down even further till we find this thing called the interior door right hand 6-inch wall. And we want to download that door also. 2022 model. Now that I have both of those downloaded, you can see them down here in my bottom toolbar, and we are ready to start the next video, which is going to be bringing those into SketchUp and placing them where they need to go. Thank you all for watching. I hope this helps. Hope everything's going successful. If not, remember to edit, undo, and try again. Have a good day.